Good morning, students. Today I am explaining you exercise 10.2 of chapter 10 compound interest. In first question, it is written that present population of a city, present population of a place is given how much? 54,000. 54,000. Rate of increasing population is given how much? 5% per annum. I have already told you that rate must be in per annum only. Annum में होना चाहिए rate आपका. You have to find its population before 2 years. Whenever you have to find the population before 2 years, what you need to do? Population before 2 years. जब कभी भी आपको पिछली पॉपुलेशन निकालनी है, देन व्हाट फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू अप्लाई? यू हैव टू अप्लाई P1 minus will come because you have to find the population before 2 years. R upon 100 before 2 years you have to find, so you have to take time 2. Now applying this formula, by applying this formula, you have to find the population before 2 years. Present population is 54,000. Please keep your cell on mute mode. You have to find the population before 2 years. It means formula you have to apply 1 minus R upon 100. Why we have taken minus? Because we have to find the population before 2 years. 1 minus rate percentage is how much? 5 over 100. Time you have to take 2. It means 54,000 multiplied by, when you subtract 1 minus, when you solve 1 minus 5 upon 100, you will get 95 upon 100. Write it 2 times because you are having power as well. पावर दी हुई है 2. इसको सॉल्व करेंगे. इसको सॉल्व करके आंसर आएगा आपका 48735. ओके. नाउ in this question you also have to find the population after 2 years. आफ्टर 2 years की पॉपुलेशन निकालने के लिए, आफ्टर 2 years की पॉपुलेशन फाइंड आउट करने के लिए फॉर्मूला आप लगाएंगे P1 प्लस R ओवर 100 कर देंगे और पावर T. P कितना है? प्रेजेंट पॉपुलेशन 54,000. 1 plus 5 upon 100 raised to power 2. It means 54,000 multiply 105 upon 100 multiply 105 upon 100. इसको सॉल्व कर लीजिए. 1 2 3 1 2 3. इसको सॉल्व करने पे आपका आंसर आएगा 59535. 59535. It means present population of a place is 54,000. Before 2 years, its population must be of it was having 48,735, and after 2 years, population will become 59535. You must be getting it. This is the solution of question number 1. Now I am explaining you question number 2. In question number 2, what is written? Am I audible to you? In question number 2, it is written that population 3 years ago, population was 1 lakh and it is increasing at the rate of 5%, you have to find the present population. Present population. Present population. फॉर्मूला यू हैव टू अप्लाई 1 लाख थी, अब बढ़ रही है 5% से 1 प्लस आर ओवर 100 रेज टू पावर टी. वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट 3 years, so we will take value of t is equal to 3. पॉपुलेशन कितनी थी 1 lakh. 1 प्लस रेट इज गिवन हाउ मच 5%. 5 अपॉन 100 इंटू 3. इसको सॉल्व आप करेंगे 1 lakh into 105 upon 100. Write it 3 times. 1, 2, 3. When you will solve it, you will get 115762. Write in approx. डेसिमल में जब भी आंसर आएगा तो उसे अप्रॉक्स में लिख देंगे. दिस इज द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ क्वेश्चन नंबर 2. Okay, just go through it. Similarly, in question number 3, you have to find the population after 2 years. So, population after 2 years. Migration हो रहा है. Migration means people are moving towards other places. So, population आपकी कम हो रही है. It means we will write 1 minus r over 100 raised to power t. Population was 15,000. 1 minus rate was given how much? 8%. No, rate was R1, R2 is given. First year it was reduced by 5% and in second year it was reduced by 8%. It means 1 minus R1 upon 100, in another bracket 1 minus R2 over 100. 1 minus 5 upon 100, in another bracket 1 minus, in another bracket 1 minus 8 upon 100. Solve it. 15,000 multiplied by 95 over 100 multiplied by 92 over 100. 1 2 3 1 2 3. इसको आप सॉल्व कर लीजिए. 5 3 जा 5 2 जा 2 से इसे कर दिया 46 हो गया. मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे then you will get 13110. This is the answer of question number 3. This is all for today. Thank you so much.